Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys are doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to create product category page in WooCommerce with Elementor, and it will be a complete beginner video, so I will request you to watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already set up our Shopify store by default, and we don't use any plugin like WooCommerce and Elementor. It is an extra theme. If you watch the theme, then you will find out this is a Astro theme and it needs update. So I'm going to update it now, and now I need two plugins. One is Elementor and second one is WooCommerce. So let's go over here. We need to wait a while. When it will be complete, then we can do next step. So here it has been done, so I'm going to click on add plugin and I'm going to install WooCommerce, and let's enter the hit button, and now you can see it is loading and I need to be wait a while again. So let's wait a bit. So eventually you can see this is our WooCommerce plugin. So here we need to be install it in this WooCommerce or in this WordPress. So just click on install, or you can view it by clicking on the name. Here you will understand the description, what is the feature, why you need to be use WooCommerce, and you can see we have almost 3,717 rating, and it is like worldwide recognized app for WordPress. So it will take a while to install it, and now you can see its last updated is 2 weeks ago, and it is compatible with your version of WordPress. So install has been done over here. Now you need to be click on activated. Once the activated is done, then it means your WooCommerce is installed perfectly on your WordPress. Once it has been done, you just need to be do some step, like I can say that it will be a step you need to be complete before using WooCommerce in your WordPress website. So set up my store. I'm just starting my business. Then here you need to be follow some step, then click on this one and just hit air, and now it will be done. So let's get your feature ready. So it will again take a time to get ready for my website. So I'm eventually will go over here and install again the Elementor for my website. So here I will go over here and go to plugin and click on add plugin, and it will take a while, and again that here I need to be search Elementor. Once I done it, then you will get the result over here again with the Elementor. Now you can see that our progression has been done over that place and setup has been done. Now we are allowed to use all these features over WordPress. So here you can see this is the Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder. It is built by Elementor, and it has almost 7,000 plus reviews and 10 million active installations. So I'm going to click on activated. Once I click over here, it will again follow the same process. It will take a time. So here once it's done, I just need to be go on to the place called product. Before it, I'm going to make a new product over here. I don't have any product yet in this WordPress, so I will make some of them. So that for a reason I am going to click some physical product. Once I did it, they will give me option to create a product on here. So let's go. So I am going to create some of let's go AliExpress, and then I will copy some of product from, and also you can import product from other WordPress website to this WordPress website. So if you have, then you can do it. So I have some of the image, so I'm going to click on this. I know it again. Next. This is the necessary. You can, if you want, you can pause it and read it. So I'm going to give a name that will be Boya for beginners, and then I'm going to add the product image. In here you need to be add the product image. So I'm going to upload image. Here let's go scroll down and let's find out the Boya. This one is Boya. Here you can add some alt text, caption, description, whatever you want. I just don't want to add anyone, so I leave it like this. So regular price, it is virtual not virtual, simple product. You can add product short description, then go and click on publish. Once I click over here, I had been done many work from that place. Let's go. Why AliExpress is not working, I don't know. There is some network issue maybe, but I am going to work on here. Congrats, adding your first product. So let's go and select add products. Yeah, you can see our product has been added, and there is some error. It's not necessary for me, it's from server error, so I will leave it here. So let's go and click on to the view. Once I click over here, you can see the product. So here you can see this is the category is uncategorized, so I'm going to add another product with different image. So click on add new product. If I have the choice, then I can easily get you the result on your computer. So I'm going to add one that will be headset for gamers, and I'm going to add an image similarly. This is the simplest way to add image here, and let's click on select files, and I'm going to add this one and click on set product, and I'm going to add the regular price will be this, and let's click on publish. Now our topic was how to make a page by category, like you can differentiate it products by categories. So that for reason you will find out the categories option in the same section. Here you can see we have this category option. So if I click over here in the category, you can see we have, like, we don't have any category over that place. So I'm going to add a name, like add a new category from that place. So I'm going to name it like headset, and then add, you can leave it the slack. So now I'm going to click on add new category. Once I've done it, you can see our category has been done. Then here I'm going to add a boya, and similarly I'm going to click on add new category, and now I'm going to come up this place add category, and here I will click on quick edit, and here you will find out the option for categorize in the right corner. You can see I'm going to click on headset for this one and click on update. Similarly I'm going to work on the boya similar way. I'm going to click on boya and uncheck the categories and click on update. Once I click over here, it has been done. Now if I visit my website, then let's click on view store, you will find out that your product is shifted in this place. So now I want to divide it by categories. So that for reason I will go over here to the page, and here I am going to create a new page that call category. Just click over here, and I'm going to give a title that will be category, and just going to click on publish. Once I click over here, it publish. I can see it view page. Here you can see, let's click on edit page, and now I am going to add the Elementor over that place. So I need to come over here into the Elementor, and let's come over that place. Where is the Elementor? I think Elementor is not activated here, so I need to activate it into that place. So just click on Elementor activated. It has been activated. Now you can see, now I will come back to pages again and find out the page called category I recently created. Yes, you can see this is the category page, and let's click on edit. This process is really simple. I hope you understand how I am working on it. You just need to click on edit with Elementor. Once you click over here, then you will get the option that one is Elementor, and now you can see it. This is the option it called. It will take a while to loading. Now I am going to edit on it. So once it's done, then I will get the option to edit it. So I need to be waited here. So here you can see this is the option editing panel. I'm going to add some of grid over that place. So I'm going to add a container in here. Now in this platform I'm going to add products. Here you will find out the WordPress. So let's, here you can see the WordPress. So we don't have the access WordPress this button, so you need to be premium plan, but you don't need to be take stress for this one. We have the solution. So we will come back here and again go to the plugin and click on add plugin. Then similarly I will search here shop Elementor and just stop it here, and now you can see that we have this app. And now I'm going to click install, and this is a platform where Elementor WooCommerce Builder add-ons are available freely, so we can access this. So here you can see our shop Elementor has been installed. Just we need to be click on activated. Once we click over here, it will activate it on our website. Now then we can easily access all these elements on our page easily. So let's go over here and refresh it, the page. Then we will get the option here, the shop Elementor. So let's wait it a bit again, and once the load has been complete, now you can see it. So let's go over here, click all the uncheck it or undo it. So we are not getting this shop Elementor here. So here I think we need to be set up furthermore to get access of this one. So let's click on template builder, and here we are going to, so first of all again let's visit on the page. So we need to be explore it one by one if we are not getting this thing. So shop Elementor is enabled, so I'm going to click on category edit with Elementor. Just click over here, and then we need to be wait a while to loading again. So it will be a long process. So once it's done, let's go and search. Yes, you can see we already getting all this product over here, and we have the shop Elementor. Let's go and undo all this, and let's go do it. And here you can see we have the shop Elementor option, and we have this universal product layout, then product tab, and many more product curvy, category grid. So let's go and one of them search it here. Here you can see this is our category options. Again let's go over here and search one. Again let's click on these options, and as you can see this is the options. Let's go over here, and then again I'm going to click on or add a new options. So I'm going to add universal product layout over that place. So that for reason I'm going to click on, so I need to remove it. Let's go over here and find out something. So here you can see this is the option, and I'm going to add a new shop Elementor. So I just need to go over here and click over here, add to favorites, or I am shop Elementor has a pro version, so I will not touch it. So history, here you can see the history. So we don't need to do this task. I just want to go over here and I will work on this. So this is not necessary. So now I am going to add shop Elementor over that place. You need to be scroll down, and I'm going to add this one here. And once I done it, then you can see the layout, then query setting here, recent product. You can query anything by it, add ID manually or show by ID, random products, top rated, or you can recognize by each product category. So I'm going to add boya here. So you are allowed to add see the boya over that place only. So in this way you can differentiate it between all these categories. So let's go and click onto the publish view, and now you can see this is our boya page. If I click on headset, then here we are allowed to see the headset. So the process is really simple. I hope you understand how this process really work, and I think actually you can now easily create it for yourself. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.